Okay, you can see that windsock there. It's pretty breezy out, so it's a gamble today on flying. But since we're here early, I'm gonna clean out my wing. I've noticed a lot of bugs and debris have gotten down in there, and there's some ports you can open on the end. They have an official name. You might know what they are. So I'm gonna open those things up, do some kiting. That's why I've got my harness on here. This is good wind for that. And see if I can get it cleaned out. See, debris, bugs, different things. Open this, pull this out. That. Hope the wing doesn't fly away. Gotta get this thing up quick. There we go. Yeah, I can see all kinds of debris in there. Trailing edge. It's supposed to work its way down, but I ain't see it. I can sure see a lot of debris in that trailing edge. Thought I was going to clean out my wing.
Yeah, the worst.
None of the stuff in the middle falls to the edge, you know.
No.
It's not a good, unless the stuff is just in the ends.
No, the best way to do it is when it's calm, pick it up by the trailing edge,
Yeah.
and walk and shake it. I've tried it too, and it sucks. Those weep holes don't do anything.
No, they cleaned out the last cell.
Yeah.
And that was it.
Yeah.
Okay, we waited it out for an hour. Brandon is here now. I think we're doable. I'm laid out over there. Engine's warming up, but we're gonna give it a go. We don't have much time. I think we got probably 20 minutes to sunset. So a flight is a flight. Let's see how it goes. I don't know what that boy was worried about. All right, we're on the ground. Success. Winds have died down just a little bit more, but we got about a 25-minute flight in, if we're lucky. It's officially after sunset, but we both had strobes, so. And Brandon here, you'll see on the video, you've already seen at this point, all those touch and goes, he was stressed because his last flight, he hurt his ankle.
I did.
And
broke it a little bit.
He's back now. And he was stressing that things weren't gonna go well, but it went absolutely perfect. So overall, good flight, glad we came out.